manenji kubika doro rinenge mukaka temberetse kuno dzine manenji kubika doro rinenge mukaka Mundi chakauya ndechakauya mwana wehama zuwa ningei Mundi chakauya ndechakauya mwana wehama zuwa ningei Mundi yakarira ndiri kwa Rwizi kune pana choko dzinenge mandara Mundi yakarira ndiri kwa Rwizi kune pana choko dzinenge mandara Vana venyu muno vaveko kukanira kunge zvikwekwenende Vana venyu muno vaveko kukanira kunge zvikwekwenende Zvitori vepi vamwe vari kumakombo muchiti chikondora chavechimombe Zvitori vepi vamwe vari kumakombo muchiti chikondora chavechimombe Oh, dendo bambuya we. Oh, dendo bambuya matewe. Oh, dendo bambuya we. Oh, uzindiko bakasare doliwo. Oh, dendo bambuya we. Oh, satandere buga kanare ziyo. Oh, dendo bambuya we. Oh, dijano seva nenyama eu. Oh, dendo bambuya matewe Thank you, tinatenda, siyabonga, zikomo kwambili. Our next song is a kore song. It's got an up-tempo beat. Karibu dande. zangu nezangu ndonobvuma kuye kwakabereka ona ndozosienda zangu nezangu ndonobvuma kuye kwakabereka ameno zenyu navatiko muchanotongwa nemhondoro ameno zenyu navachambara muchanotongwa navakuroka ameno zenyu nadzivakuru muchanotongwa navamushora pote mudzimu wenyika oyeyeyeye Vaita munduru sefura vari mudande vakagarika vaita munduru sefura vari mudande vaita munduru sefura vari mudande vane manye vaita munduru sefura vari mudande vaita munduru sefura vari mudande vakagarika vaita munduru sefura vari mudande vaita munduru sefura vari mudande vaita munduru sefura you. Tinotenda siyabonga. Zikomo kwambiri.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mbira DzeNharira. Thank you, thank you. As you all know that today we are celebrating the Zimbabwe-India Friendship Day. And I would really, before we present to you our second act, our second band from India, all the way from India, Indian Ocean, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the government of Zimbabwe, the Ministry of Youth, Sport, Arts and Recreation for partnering with us this year. And if I can please request Principal Director, Minister of Youth, Sport, Arts and Recreation, Dr. Samwanda, to please come on stage and say a few words. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Samwanda.
Thank you, Director of Ceremonies, Anku. Your Excellency, Ambassador, Indian Ambassador, Mr. Masakui, members of the Diplomatic Corps, Deputy Minister Moody, senior government officials, team workers, the artists community, the Indian community in Zimbabwe, members of the media fraternity, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me to thank you for coming to this day that we are calling India-Zimbabwe Friendship Day, which is a capstone to the activities of the India in Sunshine Festival that opened officially on Saturday the 8th and are coming down today, end of day, with this India-Zimbabwe Friendship Day. I want to thank the Indian ambassador and his team. I also want to thank Teamworks. I also want to thank the Ministry of Youth, Sport, Arts and Recreation. I also want to thank revelers from the Indian community and those from the Zimbabwean community who are coming to grace the activities of the festival for the 8 days that they have been unfolding and where we have been sharing our cultural experiences as Zimbabweans and as Indians in one community. We are actually one richer family together. I want to thank the stakeholders and the sponsors. We have made this India in Sunshine Festival that's culminating in the India-Zimbabwe Friendship Day today a success. I want to thank the artists for giving us insights where we gleaned into the Indian culture, where we gleaned into the Zimbabwean culture. And I want to thank Teamwork Arts for coordinating all the activities that were taking place. I'm aware that today there was the Bollywood dance that was taking place in the afternoon, and a lot of our colleagues, Zimbabweans and Indians alike, joined each other in a choreography, which means India in the Sunshine City is actually pregnant with workshops where there is collaboration between our two nations, and that as a ministry we want to applaud. Last but not least, I want to thank everybody who has made it today, and I want to implore you and say in this third edition we've seen growth, and we're anticipating to see more growth in the fourth edition of India in the Sunshine City. That is to happen in 2019. And I wish to see you there. I thank you all.
Thank you, Dr. Samwanda, and of course, all your colleagues. And yes, you know, 2.5 years ago when our ambassador here, Mr. Masakui, and ourselves at Teamwork Arts, our main actual vision is to have this festival part of Zimbabwe's cultural calendar. And thank you, you know, because without the support of the audiences, without the support of the sponsors, you know, all this is not possible. So thank you, keep on supporting the arts. I won't take any further time. So now, ladies and gentlemen, a band which is very close to our heart, a band which is very close to India. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Indian Ocean.
Good afternoon. Can you hear me now? Yeah, okay. So it's really a pleasure and an honor to be here. None of us have ever been to Zimbabwe before. And this is our second concert here. And the first one, we had great fun. I'm hoping you guys will enjoy this one as well. The first song we're going to play is a song which I think describes my country, but probably somebody, some of you in Zimbabwe might feel it's true enough for your country as well. So the song is called DzeNharira, which means my country. And it says, my country is like magic. It can happen everywhere. Come to my country and you will get dyed in my colors. Okay? And it says that my pocket might be a little empty, but my heart is very big. Yeah.